Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm a little out of breath because I was sprinting, but I hope that won't bother you. Uh, what I noticed, I came back to the place where several months ago I found, after I heard these sick sounds, which basically, well, I'm about 100% sure, which made me, which impacted my health directly. Because man, these effects just don't come out of nowhere. It was no doubt the sounds can affect the human body, and that was for sure. But that day also that day I found dead flesh spilled around the fields in strange pattern, like someone suggested, like a lightning pattern. And I came back to the place where the flesh was, and you can see the ground is like scorched. These wires are old and not working, so I'm okay. You can see this is the place where the dead flesh was. Now it's just like scorched land. It's really strange, maybe because I don't know what was what's who spilled the flesh of some cattle. I don't know, it was flesh of some animal probably. Who spilled it over here in this pattern? And did the flesh actually kill the grass? Because the grass is basically non-existing where the flesh was. Or was this like someone suggested, maybe a shooting animals with some kind of experimental weapon? Because imagine you put some big animal here and let's say they launch this shit and it hits like boom and it explodes the animal like into pieces in this lightning pattern. I don't know, I'm just brainstorming. I have no idea why the hell the flesh was spilled here. Why the hell it has this interesting lightning-like pattern. I mean, I found this dead flesh the same day I basically experienced the sounds for the second time, where I felt their effect the most. That was a scary experience, to say the least. So maybe they were testing something exactly that day. Maybe the remains of some animal or whatever the hell was that was basically fresh from the same day. I just walked into the wrong time and I felt their effects too. As you can see, the flesh was actually here too, so it's dead. The grass is dead. Really interesting, to say the least. I'm not sure what the hell this was. So give me your opinions, give me your thoughts. I no idea what the hell was that. Why the flesh was here, why it's in such pattern. And the sky is clear again. So maybe it's not the best time to walk here, but it's an evening, so I hope nothing terrible will happen, because I know I just felt like it. It's been calm for the past weeks. I have the older footage which is not yet uploaded. I will upload it later, where I basically got surrounded by people out of nowhere, by a jeep, a car, a guy in a four-wheeler, and another guy from the forest. But you will see that video later. So for now, just give me your thoughts and opinions on what that could be. Could it be like, I don't know, is it even possible to shoot something or possess a weapon which can directly shoot into, let's say, animal and explode it to pieces? Is it even physically possible? It sounds like science fiction. It defies the laws of physics or something. Or maybe they were just testing that. If they were testing anything, just on the ground, maybe laid some deer and just shot it. I don't know where the flesh came from. I don't know why it was there. So that's it for now. See you later, guys. Enjoying the sunset. Peace.